Hello guys, andito kami sa Tagaytay. Lamig. Grabe. Medyo malabo lang ang aking camera kasi wala akong ilaw. Sa English, we are in Tagaytay. My camera is blurry because I am under 15%. So that is why my camera is blurry. It's super cold. It's super dark and they took off the chairs which is supposed to be here. Pangit naman ang ano. Lamig. And you can just see the lights. If I only charge it. I hope you can hear the winds. Super windy. Ali, rinig naman to sa video, di ba, yung wind? Super cold. Rinig kayo boses ko? Can you hear me? It's cold. Now we're gonna go back in our apartment. And I'm gonna post this once we are in the apartment. It's super cold. We can't bear it.
Gusto nyo pang mag-swimming, ah?
Yes. We tried to swim. The swimming pool is open until 10.
Kaya nyo pa ba kapag kayo
I don't think we can try it.
nag-snow? Kaya nyo pa pag-snow?
Never. Ali, anong English ng partida? Ali. We're in the Philippines, but it's still cold. It's so blurry. Good thing the door didn't close, or else we're done for. Really done for. Super cold. We just 2 minutes and 23 seconds in there, and we couldn't bear it. Now we're in the fire exit because it's the only way. The elevator is not connected here. And there we go. Super heavy. Where are we? First time. Ali.
Bakit yun? Okay, basic. Tapo.
Super cold.
Kaya na mag-reklamo.
Hi, boss.
Malamig na. Ibigay ko sa'yo yung jacket ko.
Bakit ka nagdala yan? Bakit ka nagdala yan?
Akala ko kaya natin magtagal dun.
No, where's our phone? 6, 7. And babosh, we only lasted 4 minutes in there. Weird, right?
May magbukas dyan, magulat ka.
Kanina sa 22 floor, it opened. Why is the light open?